This is our third video in our three-part series of turning scrap into profit. So here we are finishing up the sign that we're going to put on our project, and we're going to sand it a little bit. Look how fast we are at sanding. We're pretty quick. It's great. We love sanding. And then about done. Let's clean things up and get ready to put it together. We'll put this on our little project and see, there it is. Looks pretty good. For I was hungry, and you gave me something to eat. That's pretty cool. Put a comment down below and tell me what you think. Do you like that?